Struggling with multiple reports, downloads, and messy data just to track your Amazon performance? With SellerMate, you can sync your Amazon Seller Central or Vendor Central data and ads data directly into a live spreadsheet without wasting time on manual downloads. With SellerMate Live Data Integration, you get daily sales and ad metrics by ASIN, so you always know exactly which products are driving sales and how much comes from organic versus ads. Daily campaign-level performance data, so you can track spend, sales, ROAS, and other PPC metrics across every campaign, every day in one view. Campaign plus ASIN level data with attribution, so you see the true impact of your ads on product sales without guesswork. SellerMate updates your sheet with daily 15-day attribution already built in, so you never have to worry about missing or delayed sales data. That means one live dashboard of all your sales and ad performance, ready to combine with data from Meta, Google, or any other channel to guide your brand's strategy. If you're an existing SellerMate customer, just send your spreadsheet link to support@SellerMate.AI and we'll set up your data sync. Get started with SellerMate.AI, your AI-powered Amazon ad partner.